Hi traders, this is Cynthia. I'd like to introduce you to my Breakout Trend Trading Simple System. In the last video I showed you trading the Euro in the 5-minute chart, and here's the USD CAD in a 5-minute chart on the same morning, and it traded just the opposite of the Euro. And this was about 4 hours of trading, and you had basically only 2 trades. And this chart I'm going to show you the conservative entry, where you don't bank as many pips, but you're taking advantage of more extreme volatility. Down here in the volatility window, I want to show you how when the purple and the green lines are in a tight crossing pattern and basically stay below this dashed line, that's a very low volatility, and that tells you basically it's a no trade zone, it's whipsaw consolidation, don't trade. And we have our first signal here for the conservative entry when the green candle actually broke outside of the congestion box. Back here you had your aggressive entry, and you could have taken that. But if you want to be a conservative trader, you would wait for the green bar to break outside of the resistance of the congestion box, and you've waited for your long major trend line to turn aqua, and that's a long trend signal. And here you've waited for your green volatility line to cross above the dotted dash line, where it gives you a signal for increased volatility. So this would be your conservative long entry, and going all the way up until you encounter a change in trend. You have a red dot here and a hot pink dot here. And of course you've had some purple candles for several bars. You would definitely want to manually exit your trade. Now I want to show you one of the other indicators that we use for a trailing stop. It's actually your alert indicator, which is this aqua dot, and this was your signal to enter long, and each little aqua dot is where you would move your trailing stop up. Possibly here the green bar would have come down and taken you out as a stop, but if you had been a little less diligent in moving your stop up, you would still be in the trade. And here, if you had moved your stop up, this purple candle would have naturally stopped you out on 1 or 2 of these aqua dots. And so this is how you can use this alert indicator as a trailing stop also. Now the next, we had some more whipsaw in here. After a long trend like that of 30 pips, I would wait until you get a really good confirmation for either another buy or sell. Here's an aggressive entry for a long. You could have taken that and gotten out for, let's see, if you had gotten in here somewhere and gotten out when the red dot appeared, that's not very many pips. That's only 6 pips. But if you had gotten out here when the first purple bar appeared, that's 10 pips. So that's not a great trade after a major move. You always want to give the price time to rest. Your next real good sell entry is here where the hot pink dot appears and the red dot, and you've already had your cross here. And if you wanted to take the aggressive entry, of course this would be it. If you wanted to wait for the conservative entry, this is when the purple bar crossed below the support of the congestion box. And here you've got your RSI has, here it went above the entry line, but here it's gone to the very extreme volatility line. And so you have a lot of volatility going down, pushing this price down. And if you had just ridden it down, ignored the green bars because you have so much bearish information here, and here you do have a trend change when the trend changes from hot pink to aqua, and of course you have the aqua dot and the blue dot, which always signifies the bottom, and some green bars. So this would have been the perfect entry. or rather exit of your short trade, and that was 20 pips gain. So then you go into another resting phase, consolidation, which is reflected down here by very tight crisscross of the volatility line that basically stayed below this dash line. So there's no real breakout to go long until the volatility does break above this line, and everything's bullish, so you could have jumped in there if you wanted an aggressive entry. And I hope this shows you how you can play the conservative entries, and also how to watch your volatility down here, and also how to use this indicator for your trailing stop. Here, going short, this was your trailing stop. Again, you probably would have gotten stopped out here, which is okay. That's not bad. If you had stayed in the trade, you would have gotten stopped out here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you go to the website on the video screen here and pick up the Breakout Trend Trading Simple System. And of course, again, it does come with templates loaded with all your indicators and a profile and lots of training videos and email support. So please go pick this up today, and so you can get started making lots of pips with the Simple System.